touched it.
Yeah, I don't want to touch it. I just want it to take a minute.
So beautiful.
Oh, no, back over there. Oh, it's sweet. Yeah. Oh, I thought I had it. Here.
Phone's ringing.
My phone?
Yeah, just ignore it.
Oh. Stick on my phone and
I got this all on tape.
you were so close. Okay, just picking down here like that. And... Okay, come on.
Scared the... Oh.
Oh. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Oh, God.
Act like, just keep it still for a minute. Maybe he'll... That's him. No, other way. Now direct him. Be careful. It's like a game.
Come here. Come here, you little creature. No! Do it!
Don't cuss on YouTube.
Well, better not have found. People hear me cussing at a hummingbird, for Lord's sake. Come on.
Just try to be careful, like when you do it.
No, they're fragile. Come on.
Be careful. Don't force it. You're like...
Stop telling me what to do. The damn bird doesn't like long enough, okay? I can see what I'm doing wrong. And I'm holding this freaking rake up, which is kind of heavy. Dumb bird didn't fly in the first place. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. The board has to be in the way, so I have to constantly look down.